If you want to download and install Instagram app on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you. So in case if you're facing any issue, I will show you. Make sure you turn on the cellular data or Wi-Fi and edit to settings. Scroll down a while and open Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode. Now here make sure iPhone unlock were turned on and iTunes and App Store and password autofill. This is very must option. And back and scroll down to the end, apps, App Store, and here make sure app updates. So if this option turned on, after you install the Instagram app, you don't need to manually update. If you get any update from Instagram, it will automatically updates when the internet or Wi-Fi turned on. So make sure this automatic download were also turned on, and here it needs to select ask if over 200 MB. So after this, minimize this and open App Store and just click the search and type Instagram and just open this and install the app. If this is the first time, it will ask your Face ID. So show your Face ID. For me, I already installed, so that's why it didn't ask the Face ID. In case if it asks your Apple ID, you just enter that. In case if you uninstall and try to reinstall the app, it won't ask the Apple ID password afterwards. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, you need to watch this playlist.